It's sunny. It's sunny in Vancouver.
Surrey's weather is bringing a bit of everything this week: rain, clouds, and even a few sunny breaks. But no matter the forecast, one thing that's always worth watching is the real estate market. Now, let's dive into one of Surrey's most exciting developments. Looking for a modern home that blends sustainability with urban convenience? Zenith Guildford Condominiums by Matt Holmes is bringing a 6-story, 66-unit community to the heart of Guildford with prices starting at $399,900. This development is set to be move-in ready by April 2027. Located at 14295 103A8 Avenue, Zenith offers easy access to Surrey City Centre, King George SkyTrain, and Guildford Town Centre. Inside, homes range from 412 to 1,116 square feet and feature laminate flooring, quartz countertops, Samsung stainless steel appliances, and gas stoves, all wrapped in a sleek, modern design. But it's not just about the interiors. A massive green rooftop lounge, fitness center, shared workspaces, and an amenity room with a full kitchen make this development stand out. Early buyers can score up to $7,500 off select floor plans, and every unit includes a parking spot and storage locker. With a prime location, modern design, and limited time incentives, Zenith Guildford is shaping up to be a standout opportunity. Could this be the perfect fit for you?
Welcome to Surrey, in there, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver, with sunny as your home.